Alright, so today what we're simulating as well is this is going to be security hardware, this is a security door, and then we're going into an interior swinging residential. So before we show the different techniques for this, there's a lot of different ways to do it. There's a two-man, there's using the fork, but we're finding the simplest way to get through these doors, and we're just teaching that. We'd like to see you use this method first, and then we're going to expand on the different methods. Alright, so today we're going to go over forcible entry for the 3-month test. So this is one of those things, it's a very important firefighter skill. It's also going to be a one-man job a lot of time. For most of our residentials, for a lot of our commercials, conventionally they'll teach the two-person method, but it's really important that you know the one-person method as well. The company officer is doing his 360s, doing his walk around. It's important that it's a good firefighter skill that you can go ahead and assess your door. So here we have an outward swinging door. Okay, so we're going to come into the jamb about 6 inches below the lock. You're going to drive the adz. It's important, you want to try and keep this as straight as you can. Okay, so I can feel there's resistance now. It's against the jamb, and I've stopped making any forward progress. So I'm going to pull the adz. Alright, so let's go around the back side. Alright, so you can see that I'm on the other side of the jamb. That's right where I want to be. Alright. You want to be careful, okay, you're opening the door, you've got whatever products of combustion. We want to have door control, and also we're coming back, okay? So typically, if you can, you want to be on this side. I don't have a lot of an option here. So I'm just making sure that I'm bracing myself because this could give. Okay. And so again, this is a door that you're going to find on the back of commercials. You're usually going to find inward swinging on your residentials. So, alright, so now we're going to go with an inward swinging door. This is going to be on most of our residentials. And this is a door that we would shock. Now we're not going to shock this training door because it's not designed for it, but I also want to show if you have a door that's exterior opening, you wouldn't want to shock it anyway. So I've seen is a lot of people, they're shocking these doors, but you're not going to feel anything because you have this jamb and it's going all the way around the door. So every time you sound it, every time you shock it, you're going to feel resistance in the same amount. So it's not going to tell you where any of the locking mechanisms are. Okay, so again with the one person, this is where you can kind of give a knee to give yourself a little bit of a gap. You're going to take the adz in. This is going to give you your most mechanical advantage. Okay, this is going to be a 15-to-1 mechanical advantage. So if I press down with 100 pounds, you're going to get about 1,500 pounds of force. So again, we're going to go opposite of the spike. Okay, so we're going to come down. All right, we're going to take the adz in, and this you also have to be careful with too, because you're pressing down. You want to make sure that you're supporting yourself. That way if it gives, you don't just fall down. Cool. And then door control.